Right, next one, order of reaction. What is the order? So order of reaction means sum of the power of the concentration of terms. What is that? Sum of the powers of the concentration of terms. That is we call the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, sorry, order of reaction we can be defined as sum of the sum of the power of the concentration terms. Concentration terms is called the order of reaction. What is that? Sum of the power of the concentration of terms. Look at here. I'm taking the A. This is the reactant to formation of product. Now is the A. I'm writing the rate of reaction for this one dx by dt directly proportional to A. Right, dx by dt that is equal to k into A power of 1. Here concentration of the reactant is the 1. So that's why order equal to 1. Now simple, I give the second one example. A plus B gives rise to product dx by dt. This is the rate of reaction directly proportional to A into B. A concentration 1, B concentration 1, power of 1, A power of 1, B power of 1. So dx by dt equals to k into A power of 1, B power of 1. So order of reaction, which order? Second order, 1 plus 1. Sum of now adding. The concentration of reactant 1, the concentration of reactant second one. The concentration of A reactant concentration is the 1, reactant B is the 1. So sum means adding there 1 plus 1, that is the second order. Here only one reactant is there now, so that's why it is the first order reaction. So I give the simple example. Next one, look at here. So M is the concentration of A, N is the concentration of B, the formation of product. Now how we can write rate of reaction? dx by dt directly proportional to A power of M into B power of N. Yes, A power of M, B power of N. So what is the order of reaction? Order of reaction is the M plus N. Sum now adding there, the concentrations are adding M plus N. This is the order of reaction.